Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate, and today we're going to continue promoting the $25 all-in-one business using my lead gen secrets here. I think this is day 8. Alright, so let's see what happened yesterday here. So we're going to refresh this page. Let's see. We did not get a sale yesterday. Alright, that's absolutely fine, guys. Alright, that's absolutely fine. Because we did get 3 sales so far using this method, which is very cool. I can't show the information here, and we're promoting the all-in-one business because I believe it's the best business that we can promote right online right now. I'm gonna be honest, out of everything we can promote, I think this is the best one. You get 80% commissions. 80% is crazy. Like, only a few people will let you have 80% of the commissions you make, right? Even 50 or 40% is considered pretty high. 80% is incredible. And only like some people let you have 80% commissions, and that's on like front-end sales or something like that. But not only is it 80% commissions, it's 80% recurring commissions. That means monthly. These are monthly sales we're getting, guys, every month. All right, so let's go ahead and look at this here. You're gonna use this email here from you guys. Once you sign in, if you want to follow along, there's gonna be a link in the description below to start your all-in-one $25 business. And when you get through it, you'll get these is your affiliate pages here. This is the one you want to promote, the all-in-one $25 business. This one here. This is your link to get sales, guys. All right, guys. So I just want to make sure you know that, and let me show you. Make sure you've seen this page before here. Seen this page here before. This is what it takes you to. It tells you all about the all-in-one $25 business and what all you can do, what can happen, and all that good stuff, and all that information. All right, let's go back. So we're gonna promote using my lead gen secrets here. We're only using one particular account, my smallest account, just to see how well it performs, guys. For people who are just starting, only can make one account. Also, if you want my lead gen secrets, that's also in the link in the description below. If you want to follow along, all the links in the description. All right, so let's get going. So all you have to do is load up an email here. I got a bunch of emails, so I can just load them up, but you can just type them out if you want. We're gonna go with another email here that I sent. Let's go with this one. See what happens. That's the email there. Don't you just hate to fail. Some people you sucks, but don't believe in failure. That's it. Blah blah. All right. So that's pretty fine there. You know what? I'm gonna pick my picture here. I'm gonna go get my picture. Please on Imgur. Got my photo on Imgur for some reason. I don't know why, but I just never bothered to move it. That's why it's here. Just need image address. Now, when you want to put a photo, I'm gonna put my whole thing. Alright, so we're gonna put a photo here. You click photo there, you put the URL in right there, and then you make sure it's a good size, like 170. I think is pretty good. Boom, and that's it. The photo's in. So I just wanted to put a photo there, make it a little bit more legit. You don't have to do that. You could just put your name. That works too. It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter really. People will, if they're interested, they'll check it out. You know what I mean? No matter what. So anyway, I just felt like this email needed like a little bit more to it. Okay, guys, that's about it. Make sure you have your link right here. This is where your link goes, guys. All right, so we're gonna send this email here. Make sure you click on perfect timing, because what perfect timing does, it'll send the email around the time they check the email. So for example, one person check it at 8 a.m., they'll send the email at 8 a.m. so it'll be at the top of their list. And just say another person on my list check his at 11 p.m. It'll do the exact same thing, send the email around 11 p.m. Alright guys, so that's all there is to it. As you can see, it's the simplest thing in the world. Only took 5 minutes. Maybe if you're writing the email, it might take about 8-9 minutes. Emails are very easy to write. You can just copy and paste what I put here. It doesn't really matter that much. Personally, I think shorter emails work a little better, but you can go with an email this long as well. Don't get too wordy though. I think that's the trick. Don't get too wordy. I think getting too wordy is probably the worst way to get sales. You could build a relationship like that though. So it depends on how you want to do it. Don't get too wordy. Tell your story in a short manner. Like get it out. Go and get it out. I think that's the best way to get sales with emails. Have a short email, and it create less work for you for writing the email. You ain't gotta write a lot. But anyway, guys, that's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.